In the last episode of my training for the Lejog series, me and my good friend hiked through stunning snowy landscapes in the Surrey Hills, discovering a secret waterfall and stunning medieval tower. Now join me on this next episode as I continue my training, hiking through lovely English countryside with the mission of trying to discover a forgotten medieval church. Good morning everyone, and welcome to a brand new hiking vlog. As you can probably hear by the crunching, I'm walking over a frozen over field. It's obviously been flooded, and then due to the cold night last night, it's frozen over. And I am in the beautiful Henley on Thames, and today I'm going to be hiking to an old abandoned medieval church that I found online, and it seems to be a really cool hidden gem. So I'm really excited to get out, explore this beautiful, quaint area of England. Henley on Thames is really stunning place. I actually used to go to college here, so I know it quite well. And yeah, I'm just trying to get across here without dampening my feet too much. So I have made it over to the other side of the field now. My shoes are about 50% dry, so that's pretty good. I've just left the beautiful Henley on Thames behind. Such a nice little quaint village slash town. I don't know what you would call it exactly. I'm also finding it a bit difficult to talk because my lips are numb. But as you can see by the car whizzing past, I'm currently on a bit of a main road. I'm hoping that on my right, the private land will give way to a public footpath, and I can start making my way into the more green fields and English countryside where this abandoned church is found. It's a real hidden gem, definitely not very well known, so I think it'll be a good treasure hunt to try find it. But as I said, very difficult to speak. My lips are quite frozen. It's very cold today. Currently I am on a private road. I think I've definitely not taken the right way to go to this church, but I'm too stubborn to turn around and go the other way, so this is the way I'm going to be walking, and hopefully I'll figure it out. Hey! Okay. Look what I found just off the side of the road. This is like one of these old pumps, and so you pump it here. And that's how you get the water. There's no more water in it, obviously it doesn't work, but cool just to see on the side of the road. I've reached the abandoned church. The ruins are just laying here on the side of the road, not far at all, and yet it is most definitely a hidden gem. It is so quiet. You can hear nothing but the wind, no one around at all. It's just amazing to see this medieval church here again in unassuming fields. Such a cool hidden gem. Amazing, amazing. So cool. So I don't know a ton about this medieval church. I just know that it was abandoned in the 18th century. And because it is such a hidden gem, it's not kind of overrun with tourists or graffiti or anything like that. It's just a really nice hidden medieval church in the middle of fields in the English countryside. Incredible. It's been such a lovely walk to get here, and this is just the ultimate reward. But let's go explore it.